Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Own a piece of the tourist area of Montego Bay by purchasing this property located in Torada Heights, St. James. Turn this potential property into your dream home or investment property. This unfinished structure comprises of three-story split-level design with 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms in total. The property sits on almost half-acre of sloping land with beautiful greenery to the back of the property and breathtaking sea views to the front of the property. The community is in proximity to major shopping, business, and tourist attraction places, which is a plus if creating a rental property is the aim. Give your realtor a call to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 60 million or US $389.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.